Do you believe that your kid with autism is quite capable of doing a lot more than what he or she is presently operating at? Well, in that case, I invite you to join me in my Autism MasterClass happening on Saturday, 10 a.m. sharp, where I shall be teaching you the strategies and the step-by-step process by which your child can bloom to their highest potential. Hello everybody, my name is Rajni and I am a special educator with 15 years of work experience and 3 national level awards. And I'm here to tell you that every bit of autism is workable. We need strategy. From my thousands of children and hundreds of them already doing so well, some of them being engineers, some of them doing textile designing, and my own son doing hotel management, I can tell you for a guarantee that if you work according to the process of development of autism, your child is sure to be a success. So please click on the join button below and I shall see you at the masterclass Saturday 10 a.m. sharp.